Hey there, it's Mark here from EditorsKeys, and today is a bit of a different video. Normally, we give you tutorials on editing, on audio, on video, so if you haven't seen those videos, check them out now and make sure you hit that subscribe button. But today, we've actually got a bit of a cool giveaway and prize. We've partnered with our friends over at Wipster. Now, Wipster is a real great tool. If you make films or video content, you can actually send it out to your client and they can comment on the content before you've actually exported the final version. So it's kind of like a way to get comments and feedback, and it just really speeds up the process. We're going to do a full review and feature on Wipster, so keep a lookout for that. But in the meantime, if you want to enter this competition, it's a pretty damn good competition, if I'm honest. There's up to $5,000 worth of equipment. So you can win a Panasonic Lumix G7 kit, the FiLMiC Pro App, there's a Zhiyun camera stabilizer, there's a Genie Mini, a Joby GorillaPod, a Manfrotto light, there's some RØDE microphones in there, there's a Stripe sound effects membership, a MusicBed personal subscription, an EditorsKeys Backlit keyboard, of course, FilmConvert color grading bundle, a LaCie 1TB portable SSD, and a 1-year Wipster business account. So I'm sure you'll agree, that's a pretty good prize bundle. If you want to enter this, just hit the link in the description below this video. You can enter about 14 different times through Twitter and Facebook and YouTube and other areas. So make sure you enter this. It's a really cool prize. We're helping Wipster out with it, and I just wanted to tell you about it so you don't miss out on this great prize. But get entering, let us know what you think about the prizes, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.